Hi everybody, thank you for coming back to my show. Today I'm with my mini-me, Sophia, my daughter.
Hi everyone.
She's gonna be assisting me and we're gonna do Veronica's hair.
Hi.
Today what we're gonna do is peekaboo. I don't know if you hear about peekaboo. It's something new, it's something really nice, and it's gonna make the ends go lighter. It's different from the ombre. Ombre is all your ends light. But the peekaboos, you're gonna have one dark, one light, one dark, one light, so you're gonna have contrast. And we're gonna show you today how to do it. To do the peekaboos is bleach, of course. We're using Olaplex inside the bleach. We're using 30 volume peroxide. And we need some foils. Sophie, show the foils. And a brush. And of course, always a clip to divide the hair. Okay, every hair has history. Everybody, of course, did something before in the hair. So her history is she used to have ombre on her ends. But one time she get tired, she covered all her ends with brown, and now we're gonna do peekaboos. So we have to have a lot of be careful because inside those color is bleach under this color. So we're gonna need to have a lot of be careful. For sure, we're gonna have different tones lifting. In the virgin hair, it's gonna go faster. When she has bleach, it's gonna be in different ways. So I'm gonna show you how to control. It's hard, but we can make it. Okay, what we're doing, we divide. Now I'm gonna take a small piece from the back and leave it out. And Sophia, can I have another clip, please? Thank you. Okay, like what I said before, peekaboo is one piece blonde, one piece without blonde. Why they call peekaboos? Because you don't know from where they're coming. They're gonna come pieces blonde from inside the hair. That's why they call peekaboo, because they're coming from inside, you never know from where. Now, we want the blonde to be to show very well. So we don't gonna tease too much. We're gonna tease a little bit just to lose the line, and we want pure light on the ends. Okay? When you don't wanna see too much the contrast, you have to tease more. But because we want a lot of contrast, we're gonna tease very little, so the blonde can pure. Now, what is the color? I forgot to tell you. The color what she wants is like a light ash brown or dark ash blonde. She wants something ash. Okay, and not too blonde. Kind of caramel, no, Veronica? Okay. Okay. That's it. Are you ready? Yes? Sophia, are you ready? Yes. Okay. Okay, the second line, you have blonde, dark, blonde. So you want the next one blonde go in between when you leave the dark, and the dark next to the blonde. Okay, so you keep the contrast. Now here is dark, so the next one on top of that one is gonna be blonde. The closer we go into the top, the highlight has to be a little bit thinner, and we have to tease a little more because we don't wanna see lines on the top. I'm gonna show you. This is the part where it's more visible. So what I'm gonna do is a zigzag, and I tease. You see, I tease more than the normal, so we don't have any line for sure. Okay, you see, we have highlights in between of the brown, so that's why peekaboo, okay, it's no all over her ends. Now we're gonna start from the side. How we do the frame. I'm gonna show you how I do the frame. I take a little piece. And I like to leave a lot of hair in the front so we don't see the new growth when they're growing. We wanna be very natural. I make a very thin highlight behind. This is how I do it. A lot of people do it in different ways. This is how it works for me and how I feel more comfortable doing it, okay? So I get this a small, very thin highlight, and I go closer to the roots in those one, and those. Then we take the piece where I leave in the front and I tease it very well so we don't see any line. We take this and we put the blonde on the end. And then we take the next paper like this and I tease it well too, like that. And I touch just the ends. She's full of foils. Okay. Now we have to wait for the process. Okay, let's wait. Okay, now we're gonna check our first highlight, the one where we did in the beginning. I wait to check because she had thick hair and very dark, so I know the highlight was not ready. But normally when you do the highlight, you have to go and check the first one when you are doing the highlight. You don't want to ruin your hair. You want to be sure everything is processing on time, because if you over process, you can damage the hair. Now, what I talked to you before, she has an history in her hair. So look what happened. Hold over here, Sophie. She has different tones. You see, blonde from the virgin part, and darker for the old color, and then blonde on her ends from her old highlights. So this is the perfect color for where we need is this color. This is perfect. We need clean yellow. Why? When we put the ashy, it's not gonna be any red and it's gonna be pure ashy. So we're gonna remove it and we're gonna leave this tiny longer so they go even. So this is what we're gonna do. We make it, we finished. Look how beautiful she looks. Show your color better. She looks beautiful. It's very natural, but at the same time you can see it. Perfect for summer. She looks beautiful. So Sophie, what do you have to say?
Okay, I hope you liked this video. Please comment down below what you would like for the next video. Smash that subscribe button and give us a big thumbs up. Bye!